guys, Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. Just wanted to show you really quick how to clean these tips on your Great Stuff Pro Guns. I think this was a very good purchase because I've always been using this stuff. I've been using this stuff for a while, and I've only been able to get through half of the can, and it really drives you nuts. So getting yourself one of these guns will really help you. Again, I'm not a professional. I do have some training in the construction field, but again, this is just home projects and maybe, around the neighborhood projects. So I'm going to show you how to clean these tips. I've allowed this thing to dry up too much, and I shouldn't have done that. So first thing, on the foam cleaner, the can just pops open, okay? Then you have these tips that come along with it, so you can use it either with your with your gun by just screwing it on to here, or you can use this as a spray can, and we're going to use it as a spray can. So I'm going to take this off, being careful to make sure I pop the tab that's holding it or securing it to the can, and I'm not popping this tab because I'm going to need that. I want to keep these two pieces together. So this looks like just a push down to me. So just insert and push down, and it's going to start spraying. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get a little bucket, and hopefully I can find a rag. Okay, I got a bucket, I got a rag, and I'm going to start spraying this tip. This chemical should actually just melt it away. Let's see if that happens. So I can see it's breaking the material down, so that's good. I'm going to keep spraying it. You know what? I may get something to be a little bit more aggressive, just a little bit. Let me see what I can find here. And you search for what suits you. I've located myself a little utility knife. Guys, that's really working good. This stuff is just now, it's coming right off. It's all softened up from the spray. Very happy with this process. I'll spray a little bit more. So although you see me going around and around as I'm cleaning end of the tip to make sure that when I squeeze the trigger, I'm able to get some insulating foam out of the end. I really want the very, very tip in the point here. Oh, hold on. Very tip here and here to be free of debris. That's what I really want. So let me spray in there now. See if I can get that out. So I'll wipe it with the cloth and I'll use the knife. Squeeze that trigger and see. Just spray that again. And for me, I'll do everything I can to make sure that that I don't find myself with the end so dirty again. So after I finish using it, I'll just give it a quick spray, so I don't have to go through this whole process again. But here we are. We're almost back to the original way that it was when we bought it. Yeah, I just don't like to have all of that stuff all over the tip of this thing because you can't even see what you're doing, to be honest. So let me spray again. Okay, so we're good there. And that's all done. Okay, and we're all good. So we've cleaned that up. Now you got all that crud off of your barrel. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Most importantly, subscribe. I've got to get the membership numbers up so I can continue to making these videos for you. Again, not a professional. I'm a jack of all trades, but yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's where we are now, guys. We got all that crud off. Again, don't forget to like, share the video. Most importantly, subscribe to the video so I can continue making videos like this and you can be notified when one comes out. In addition to that, if there's a particular video you'd like for me to make, just leave a comment about it and I'll see if we can get it done for you. All right, see you on the next one. Thanks.